In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to run a Slurm job with an array capability, array jobs. So we're going to make a new directory here just for this tutorial. In the meantime, let me describe what an array job is. Using job arrays, you can submit many similar jobs with almost identical job requirements. This reduces loads on the users and the scheduler system on the cluster. It can only be used in batch jobs. The input files differ, but only by the information and not by the structure. And so let's assume that you have 5 different patients. We'll tell you how to deal with that. So we're going to copy contents from a tutorial folder on the prints cluster. So let's make sure you're on the prints cluster when copying this. So we are going to copy from share/apps/tutorials/slurm/example/job-array /wildcard. This will copy all the files, and then space dot. This will copy into our current directory. Great. And like I said, let's assume we have 5 different samples here, but we want to keep them separate, but run a job on each one. So, right. So we have 5 different samples, and let's see this shell script that we're going to run. It's going to run a Python script called word count on each and every file. This will count the words. It can be any script. This is just an example. So here's how we run the sbatch command. So we can exit out of here. We're going to do sbatch, and then we're going to use the double dash flag array equals 1 through 5, and then the shell. So basically, as long as the files are named in similar ways and have numbers appended to them in this dash number fashion, this array command will be able to parse those file names. Great, so the job is running, and it should be a pretty quick job, yeah. Again, what we just did is we ran wordCount.py on sample 1, sample 2, sample 3, sample 4, and sample 5 using this one command. So congratulations, that is how you do array jobs via Slurm.